Hey traders, Joseph here from Eightcap. So just today we've had a bit of a turnaround against stocks. There's a fair bit of selling throughout the Asian session on Asian indices. The ASX is also in the red after yesterday, and it's really the JPN 225 and the Hang Seng on the Hong Kong 50 leading the losses. The German DAX futures are also sharply lower. There was a downgrading by the US from a ratings firm earlier this morning. And we are currently just having a look at the Nasdaq, which has been on this very nice long drawn out trend. But we can see here now that we have a bit of a sorry, that's not what I wanted. Sorry, we have a bit of a sign here that there could be some pressure starting to come into the Nasdaq. So this is the first time in a little while that we have seen a pretty decent looking lower high. The fast trend was broken here. We still have a very good uptrend though, and what we are looking to see now is if further selling does continue and if this lower high does come into play and become confirmed. And now we have the non-farm payrolls coming up on Friday, so there will be a bit of a factor there as well. And what we really are wanting to see is how the market reacts if we do see further selling and another short-term move back down to test this support. And that support is really around the 15,435 down to 15,430 area. And if we will see that continue to fight back for buyers. We had our first pullback here and we had a rejection. We had a failed low, little mini doji down there. Then we had a new rally with a nice 1, 2, 3 pattern coming out of it. But that has stalled once again, and we are seeing pretty good resistance at 15,825 and that new lower high here. So if we do see some selling again, further selling, and we get back down to this level, will we see it hold? Or could there be something a little bit more on the cards, and could we start to see a bit of a short-term shift in the short-term momentum? So just drawing in the key trend lines, we can see this main trend line is here, and we can just see another fast trend really here. You have to be a little bit gentle with those. So we can see it's right on it now testing, and that's why we are wondering that if we do see a break, what will happen when we get back down to that support area. So a break of that support, if it does open up into, as this mentioned, a short to medium term push lower, could that send us back down to test this trend line? But for now, we'll just have to see what happens on the short term, and if we do see further selling, and then what happens at that support point there. So as mentioned, the key one coming up this week is the non-farm payrolls, and we are just watching a bit of selling that's eventuated and maybe has been set off by that downgrading by the ratings agency of the US earlier today. So that's it for today's update. We thank you very much for your time. We wish you all the best with your trading, and until our next report, good trading and bye for now.